Hello and welcome to a new video of Team Tries. Today we are in Plopsaland Deutschland of Holiday Park. Before it was Holiday Park. And if you say Holiday Park, you think about
Expedition GeForce.
Expedition GeForce, yeah, it's the must-do coaster you have to do here. But we're wondering if it's still that good, because this is an Intamin coaster from the year 2000, so it's already 25 or 26 years old. So yeah, I'm curious about that. So if you want to know, or if you find out what we think about this coaster, yeah, follow us and watch the full video. Oh yeah, baby. Zalig. Oh. Dit is er anders iets wel, ja, nee? Expedition GeForce. What is your opinion?
It's very nice, and for that old coaster, Ferris wheels.
Yeah, I thought it was in a little bit in the back, a little bit rougher.
Yeah, a
but
little bit.
yeah, but it didn't lose its power.
No,
The name is still GeForce.
Yeah.
It still has his name. Yeah, really, really nice coaster. If you're here in Holiday Park of Plopsaland Germany,
Yeah.
you have to do this coaster because it's still a wonderful coaster. Intamin makes this coaster really, really.
It's still good.
It's still good. So yeah, you have to do this. It's fast. You get a lot of airtime.
Yeah.
That first drop is just insane.
Yeah, it's
insane.
not normal.
If you do it in front, you see how deep it is, how steep it is, and you do it in the back, you just feel the force. So yeah, that's a really nice coaster. Yeah, it's still a good coaster. Yeah, still have to do this one. So yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
So what do you think about Expedition GeForce? Do you like this coaster or not? If you like it, put your thumbs up. So yeah. Yeah, I really like it. Yeah. So if you like this video, just put your thumbs up and see you for the next adventure.